This is a 2.6 cbm self-loading concrete mix truck. And let's see the bucket. Loading system. Hydraulic shovel. Hydraulic shovel. This mixer can be load the material easily and accurately. There is a blade in the shovel. There is a blade. Here is a blade. There is a blade in the shovel, so that the cement bag can be cut automatically to avoid the waste of the cement. The blade, and you can see the teeth of the bucket. It can protect the bucket. Okay, let's see the shovel. The shovel and the open door can be controlled by the hydraulic cylinder. Hydraulic cylinder. Okay, let's see. Next is wheel system. The wheel system. Steel wire super resistant engineering tire. Strong. You can see the tire. Okay, this is self-prime water pump. It can add water into the drum automatically. So convenient. You can see here. Here is the engine. This is wechat engine. You can see tools coming